Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen, click nav. If it's the first time you've used it, you will have to accept a little message to say that you're not going to get distracted. You've got nav menu in the corner there, so we'll touch the nav menu, destination entry, address, points of interest, previous destinations, postcode, memory point, home. So we'll go for postcode. It was also showing search area, easy for me to say, and that was the UK, of course. So input postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR, 5 Mars bar fingers, 4JS. Click OK. Postcode could not be found within database. Right, so in that case, I think there may need to be a space there. So we'll put a space, 4JS. OK. There you go. Some automatically take into account there's only 2 numbers, some there's 3 numbers. So make sure if you've only got 2 numbers, you put a space in between. That's how you do it. Route preferences, do you want to change it? No, that's your destination. So set as destination, calculating route.
It's 8 miles or less.
Click start.
Continue for 1 mile.
So voice instructions are there on the right. Sorry about that. So as I mentioned before when I was test driving it, I had to resort to looking at the instructions because I couldn't figure out how to pair this pair my mobile to this Bluetooth audio system in the Jag, and it's not immediately obvious. If you go, first of all, you'd expect to find it in menu. It's not in menu, or you'd expect to find it in phone, but you see there phone says no BT phone, no Bluetooth phone. So you go into menu and there's nothing there either. Now what you have to do, first of all, you press the phone button, and then on the keypad you have to enter hashtag 3 hashtag star hashtag, and then it's now gone into discover me mode. Then we make sure that Bluetooth is on here and leave it while it looks for it. It's found Jaguar, so click Jaguar. And then the pin number for Jaguar is 1313. So pin number 1313, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I don't want to, but you will, so don't allow. And there you go, Jaguar connected. It's not as intuitive as you might expect. Normally you can just do it, but Jaguar has kind of got an extra level of encryption. The funny thing is, sometimes when I'm sat here doing this, the car you sat in, it's searching for, and another car will just go past, and it'll pick their Bluetooth signal up straight away. So there's no rhyme or reason to it, but it's an easy system to use. And as I say, what a great car.